Hello everybody, welcome to ALP Astrology. Today we are going to discuss a chart. Recently I have gone through one of the natives horoscope. In that horoscope, the ALP Lagna is in Aquarius and the native is going through the nakshatra Purva Bhadrapada first pada. That is the Jupiter's nakshatra, and they are just coming to ask me what should be the education that is our children should learn. We are all thinking that they should learn something related to their medicine, right? But the native is not interested in learning medicine. The Jupiter is placed in the seventh house from Lagna, that is from Aquarius. Seventh house is the Leo. The Jupiter is placed in Leo. So the native is telling that I just wanted to focus on learning accounting. That is, I wanted to become an auditor, a chartered accountant, something in the genre of finance or accounting. But the parents, they are just wanting their children to become something that they have to do in medicine. So I just gone through the horoscope and I just said them, according to your child's horoscope, finance sector is very suitable, right? Jupiter is placed in seventh house. It is more related to finance. The nakshatra pada is also favoring that. So it is good to do accounting than medicine. Okay, so in that case, we should all know that pursuing an education is very important. It should have a good impact in our life. Just learning or going through this graduation, post graduation for the period of 5 years, and then thinking that what I'm going to do with this course. It's just a piece of paper. It is going to be in my locker. It should not be like that, right? So before taking any decisions regarding your education, always just suggest an astrologer. That in ALP astrology, we provide you classes also. You can just get into the classes, learn what is good for you, what is good for your children. So you can guide many of them to take a right education, which is going to help them throughout the life. So always have a mindful thought when deciding what the education they have to pursue. So always have this in mind, right? The planetary influences are very much important to choose the right type of education. Since if we choose education which is not suitable, then the children may break at any point and come back and tell them, I don't like this course, I want to join something else. So it is utter waste of time and money. Always think mindful and choose the right type of education. Thank you.